Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Tab 5 active and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. Our first step to do that, we must open Google Chrome application, where we press on the three dots on the right corner and now settings. In it we have our password manager selection. There we can turn on or turn off some function as save passwords, auto sync in, or we can also manage password which our tab remember, in this case to our Facebook account. We can click there and now we can copy our email or copy our passwords, or we can also, after we press this icon, our tab show us password which we remember. We can also custom it by tap there, and when we tap on it we can write something, add or delete what you need. We can also delete all what our tab remember by this trash icon and confirm all by delete passwords. And we don't have any saved password right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.